Then I can crawl.
What? Oh my gosh. What? Oh my god, I can't watch this.
For breakfast, kitty.
All right, today's the day we finally get to start the Tiki bar.
Got my gloves ready.
We got our masks. We are on our way out to Menards to go pick up a whole bunch of wood.
My mom made these really, really awesome masks. Let me show you.
Functional and fashionable.
Ready?
Ready. Hey, masks are on, ready to go. We're just picking up stuff for the deck today that we're gonna build the Tiki bar on top of. So, should be a pretty short trip.
What are we picking up today?
2x6 and 5-quarter green treated stuff.
Stop at the guard truck, he's gonna scan you in, alright?
Thanks.
Oh yeah. These are some fine looking deck boards. These will do. Let's load them up.
You just want to look down it and make sure that it's not crazy warped in either direction. And that it's not missing big chunks of wood from knots or things like that.
Why is it green?
They soak them in a bath of chemicals.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36.
All right, that's all of them. Time to go. The best parts of living up here is definitely the meat market. Wow, there's a lot of traffic right now. This place is back and alive. But yeah, the meat market up here is amazing. Lake Tomahawk Meat Market.
We made it back from Menards, and here is all our lumber. It's very exciting. Today marks the beginning of our deck building experience. Some heavy cement blocks, which will be the foundation for our deck. The deck will be 8 by 16. We will start building it right over here. But first, a brat cookout.
Well, we put in a pretty good amount of work already, so I think it's time for lunch. What do you think?
So hungry, always hungry. Can't stop being hungry, like our cat.
Like Octavius. All right, lunchtime.
Here I am standing at the place of where a tiki bar will be built. Very terrifying. Could be a weapon.
No way. Okay, we got the two decks built. We got the joists going in between them. We are just about at the finish line with this project. Dug a bunch of holes, and now it is time to put the deck boards across. Behold, we have our first kind of tiki bar. Not
we
really.
built this deck
Yep.
today.
Took us about 4 hours with 4 of us, and we just crushed this thing out today.
I've never
It was
built anything that you could stand
awesome.
on ever.
Nothing you would have trusted to stand on.
Or ever.
Upon this rock, we shall build our tiki bar.
Very exciting. Everything went really well, and we had just enough. Everyone planned superbly, and by everyone I mean not me. We had all the right nails, just the right amount of wood. It was perfect.
Everything went awesome. Now we're gonna make some dinner, cook over the campfire, and probably call it a night.
Woo! What a perfect day.
Yep.
Back at work, because there is, I don't know if you can see, a very terrifying piece of branch right there that looks like it could just stab someone that was sitting right there. So now Josh and his dad are working to take it down. We'll see how this goes. Oh boy. It's wrapped around, do you see? There's 2 pieces of it. Oh.
Yes.
Go. Oh.
Yes. Oh my. Oh.
Oh, now you got it.
No.
Oh, it's straight up. Oh, my. This is another
Mm-hmm.
This should carry a lot more line. Then I can crawl.
What? Oh my gosh. What? Oh my god, I can't watch this. Oh my god. What? He's just doing some gardening.
There you go. Now keep pulling.
He's...
Now you're on the branch, okay? Almost. You're almost there. Okay, you're on the stick now. It's going to come. 'Cause now you're just on one branch.
Ooh.
Keep pulling.
You good up there?
Yeah, keep pulling.
She's popping.
Right on the wood pile.
Oh man. Now he's climbing back down the tree. Holy cow, the tree is moving.
Okay, I'm almost home. Now I don't want to fall.
Now you don't want to fall? We will be laying out the ground, evening the ground. I don't even, and that's what we're doing today.
So, you know.
Throw this at the cabin.
Right at the window.
That's all right. I want to replace that kitchen window, so go for it.